Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. The City of Prescott Transfer Station is changing their hours starting on December 4th, 2023. The new hours will be from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. The City of Prescott and their contractor, CLM Earth Movers, are set to begin the fiscal year 2023 minor concrete repairs Phase 2 project. This project generally consists of the removal, replacement, and/or installation of new concrete sidewalks, ramps, driveways, curb and gutter, and drainage scuppers. The work also includes brush and debris removal, drainage grading, catch basins, storm drain pipe removal and installation, water services, guardrail, safety rail, asphalt paving, and adjusting water valve boxes and manhole frames and covers. Detailed notification door hangers will be delivered to those affected prior to concrete repair operations commencing in a given area. This project is scheduled for completion in early 2024. When finished, this project will improve stormwater drainage capabilities and sidewalk quality for pedestrians. Work may occur Monday through Thursday from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please be aware of temporary sidewalk and lane closures, loud noise, and barricades throughout the work zones. Crews will work with businesses and residents to maintain access throughout the project. However, access may be restricted at times. We're dedicated to keeping residents and businesses informed of the potential construction impacts throughout the project. Tomorrow, the City of Prescott will celebrate the opening of the Granite Creek Corridor trail improvements with a ribbon cutting at 10 a.m. at 232 North Granite Street. I will be present along with other local dignitaries to help celebrate the completion of this public improvement project. The ribbon cutting ceremony will be conducted with the assistance of the Prescott Chamber of Commerce, and all are welcome to attend. This 1-mile stretch along the Granite Creek now provides a scenic, safe, and accessible trail for citizens and visitors. Prescott is known for its trails, lakes, and other natural assets. With a modest investment, the city has created a trail and public space for our citizens and visitors to enjoy for years to come. Planning for the Granite Creek Corridor began back in 2021 with a series of community meetings to learn what citizens wanted to see in the corridor improvements. As a result, lighting, benches, and other amenities have been included to create a welcome and useful public trail through the heart of Prescott's downtown. There were several long-term goals for this project. Clean up and restore the beauty and native landscape of the corridor, allowing the riparian habitat to thrive and water quality to improve. Improve the usability of the trail in the downtown corridor, allowing greater access and enhanced safety. Improve opportunities for interpretation of Prescott history and resources. Reduce the risk of flood conditions for the properties along the creek. The improvements begin at Aubrey Street to the south, going north to end in Granite Creek Park. The trail goes through the heart of Prescott's historic downtown and provides unique perspectives on businesses along the creek. Today, the Prescott Regional Airport hosted an airport emergency exercise in coordination with Prescott Fire Department, Prescott Police Department, local mutual aid and secondary response agencies. The purpose of the exercise was threefold. Number one, to comply with airport certification requirements associated with commercial air carrier service. Number two, to provide necessary hands-on training for primary and secondary emergency responders and medical providers, such as Dignity Health Yavapai Regional Medical Center. And number three, to test and evaluate emergency personnel, equipment, and methods and procedures to identify potential future revisions to the airport emergency plan. This exercise entailed a simulated aircraft accident involving multiple casualties. The scenario involves the rescue, treatment, and transportation of victims through the coordinated efforts of multiple emergency response agencies. Several emergency vehicles were in the airport area during the exercise. The City of Prescott has contracted with Polco to participate in the National Community Survey. This two-part community-wide survey is designed to identify clear priorities for use in strategic planning and budget setting. First, 3,000 citizens from the City of Prescott are randomly selected to take part in the survey. The survey is mailed to those citizens with a unique link that only they can use. The mail survey started this week. Then there will be an open survey available on the city's website beginning November 6th. The information received from these surveys will help the city's elected officials and staff understand our community's priorities to help plan and budget for the upcoming fiscal year. City Manager Katie Gregory stated, "We are excited to conduct the survey so that we can hear from our citizens about important matters of governance. One of my priorities is for leaders to make data-driven decisions when planning and budgeting. This will be an excellent first step. The National Community Survey is a proven tool for engaging citizens. If you receive a survey in the mail, please respond. The information received will be used to help our elected officials and staff make better decisions in the community." There are 3 upcoming meetings this week. The Mayor's Commission on Water Policy Review and Monitoring meets tomorrow, Tuesday, October 17th at 11 a.m. here in the council chambers. Also tomorrow, the Airport Advisory Committee meets at 2 p.m. That meeting takes place at 6630 Airport Avenue in the Airport Administrative Conference Room. The Board of Adjustment will meet Thursday, October 19th at 3 p.m. here in our council chambers at City Hall. Ballots were mailed out this week for the November 7th election. The city has several proposed charter amendments on the ballot. If you would like to study the proposed amendments, here is a link below. We're also featuring one proposed charter amendment each day on our social media channels. There's also a public meeting tomorrow at 3 p.m. in the council chambers. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I thank you for watching. We'll see you again next week.